In this video, we shall discuss exercise 10.4 from ninth class NCERT book. Question number 1 is saying that two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter intersect each other at 2 points, and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Then find the length of common chord. Here, two circles are given. One is circle C1 and other is C2. With the centers P and Q and radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Clear? Both the circles are intersecting at 2 points. One is A and other is B. So, when we join both the points A and B, a common chord is formed. And we have to find the length of this common chord. Clear? When we join the centers of their both the circles, a line segment is PQ formed. Clear? Question number third from exercise 10.3. अगर उसको हम दोबारा देखें, क्या था क्वेश्चन? कि line joining the centers of two circles is perpendicular bisector of the common chord. एक बार फिर third question from exercise 10.3. We are taking the statement of that question as a formula. What was the statement? Line joining the centers of the circles intersecting each other is a perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So here PQ is the line segment joining the centers of their circle and AB is the common chord. So the point C will be the midpoint of AB according to that statement. Clear? So P and Q are the centers. P and Q are the centers of two intersecting circles. Intersecting circles. ठीक? Implies that, so here PQ will perpendicular to AB and AC equal to BC, and let this is X. The length of AC, इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? This is X and this also X. Clear? When we join A to P like this and A to Q, A to Q like this, ये touch होगा ना, ये point Q is this. Clear? So here a triangle is formed APQ. APQ. So in a triangle APQ, AP is 5 centimeter, PQ is 4 centimeter, and AQ is 3 centimeter. Clear? Here triangle APQ has all three sides are known. So we can find the area of this triangle APQ with the help of Heron's formula. So now we are finding the area of this triangle APQ using Heron's formula. So here S equal to 4 plus 3 plus 5 upon 2, that is कितना हुआ? 12 upon 2 or 6. यानी S is 6, so area of triangle APQ equal to under root क्या S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Is it clear? What is S? S is 6 into 6 minus A is A is 5 and 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 3. देखिए one is 5 centimeter, other is 4 centimeter, and third is 3 centimeter, and square root of this. So 6 into 1 into 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. So here 6 into 6 and that is 6. So area of triangle APQ is 6. Clear? Is it clear? And again area of triangle APQ equals, in triangle APQ this angle is right angle. So if we take PQ as the base of triangle APQ and AC is the altitude, so area of this triangle will be 1 upon 2 PQ into AC. Area of APQ is from 1. So 6 equal to 1 upon 2 into PQ. PQ is 4 and AC is X. So 2 to the 4. So 2x equal to 6. Clear? And 2x is 6. And here x is this and x is this. This is ACX and BCX. If we add both the x, x plus x is 2x. So 2x can be written as AB. So AB equal to 6 centimeter. Is it clear? So do it. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is saying that if two equal chords of a circle intersecting within the circle, then show that the corresponding segment of the chords are equal. Corresponding segment. Here there are two chords, one is AB and one is CD. Both the chords are equal. Clear? Here such that AB equal to CD. Clear? Both the chords are intersecting at point P. Segment of both the chords are corresponding. AP means larger segment and the corresponding to the larger segment of this chord means AP or CP, we have to prove both are equal. Similarly, smaller segment DP and PB are equal. Clear? To prove this, we have to do some construction. One is join O to P. Construction join O to P and draw the perpendiculars OM and ON on AB and CD respectively. Clear? So perpendicular is this, that is OM, and perpendicular to CD, that is N. Clear? And join O to P. Clear? So here are two right angle triangles are formed. Means proof. Clear? Here AB equal to CD. Why? Given. Clear? And OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. Means the distance of the chord AB from the center O is OM, and distance of chord CD from O is OM. And we know that equal chords having equal distances from the center. So from this we can say that ki OM equal to OM. Is it clear? Means these two are equal. Clear? And OM perpendicular to AB. So OM will bisect AB. We know that perpendicular drawn to the chord from the center of circle bisect the chord. OM is perpendicular, so it will bisect AM equal to MB. AM equal to MB or equal to 1 upon 2 AB. Clear? And similarly, CN equal to DN or equal to 1 upon 2 CB. Okay? So now, in triangle OMP and triangle ONP, clear? Again, angle OMP equal angle ONP or equal to 90. Why? This is our construction. Okay, and OP is common. Okay, and OM equal to ON, just prove. Just to here, OM equal to OM. Equal chords having equal distance from the center. Here, this is right angle and that is hypotenuse and this is side. So this equal to this and this common and this is right angle. So by RHS congruency, so triangle OMP is congruent to triangle ONP. Means these two triangles are congruent to each other. So by CPCTE corresponding part of congruent triangles are equal. So corresponding parts are means MP equal to PN, MP equal to MP. Clear? Means this segment equal to this segment. Is it clear? But AM equal to CN. AM equal to CN. Why? Because AB equal to CD. Clear? This is 1 and this is 2. So equation 1 and plus equation 2. When we add both the equations 1 and 2, left side to left side and right side to right side, means AM plus MP equal to CN plus MP. Just add AM plus MP become AP and CN plus PN become CP. Clear? First part is this AP equal to CP. Clear? When we subtract but this is 3, AB equal to CD and this is 4. So now if we subtract 3 from 4, 4 minus equation 3. So AB minus AP, AB minus AP will equal to CD minus CP, CD minus CP. We get AB minus AP. ए बी में से अगर हम ए बी को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो व्हाट विल लेफ्ट ओनली बी पी, एंड सी डी माइनस सी डी से सी बी को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें वी गेट डी पी. दिस is it clear? What is it? Only two statement is using here. One is equal chords having equal distances from the center, and other is perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Clear? And RHS congruency. If these three things you know, so question will be easy for you. Is it clear? So do it. Okay, and now question number third. Third question is saying that here is also two chords of a circle intersect within the circle. Then prove that the line joining the point of intersection, both the chords is P, so it joined to center O. So this line OP makes equal angle, means this angle and this angle are equal. This we have to prove. So given portion in this question is a circle COR has two chords, one is AB and other is CD, such that both the chords are equal, AB equal to CD, and both the chords are intersecting each other within the circle at point P. So point P is this. Construction we have to prove. To prove this we have to make some construction, and construction is draw the perpendiculars OM and ON on AB and CD respectively. Means OM is on AB and ON is on CD. Clear? And we know that the equal chords having equal distance from the center. So here AB and CD both the chords are equal. ON perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. So equal chords having equal distances, here AB equal to CD, OM and ON are perpendicular, means distance of these two chords from the centers are OM and ON. So these distance OM and ON are equal because both the chords are equal. So OM equal to ON. Clear? Similar to previous question, triangle OMP and triangle OMP, these two circles are the congruent. How? देखिए angle OMP, this angle and OMP means this angle, both the angles are right angle. Okay, by construction. And OP is the common. Clear? And OM equal to OM and OM we just prove, because equal chords are having equal distance from the center. So similar to previous question, question number 2, these two triangles are the congruent by using RHS congruency. So by using RHS congruency, both the triangles OMP and ONP are congruent. So by CP CTE आप देखेंगे corresponding part of congruent triangles are equal. Here OM and ON both are equal. So the angle opposite to OM in this triangle is OPA. OPA means this angle and this angle. Okay, this angle OPA and OPC, both the angles where the tick is there, so both the angles are equal by CP CTE. Means angle OPA equal to angle OPC. Is it clear? This we have to prove. Okay, is it clear? So do it. Question number 4 is saying that ki a line segment intersects two concentric circles with center O at A, B, C and D. Then show that AB equal to CD. There are two circles, one is this and one is this, both circles having same center, so known as concentric circle. Here two circles are concentric with radius R1 and R2. Clear? And both the circles are intersected by a line at point A, B, C and D. And we have to prove if this segment AB equal to this segment CD. Clear? So to prove this, we have to do some construction, and construction is draw a perpendicular OM. OM on AB means OM perpendicular to AB. Proof. Clear? For circle C1. C1 is this one. That is C1. Clear? Larger circle is the C1. OM perpendicular to AB. Clear? थोड़ी देर के लिए जो स्मॉलर सर्किल है इसको आप भूल जाइए और आप देखेंगे AD is the chord of larger circle and OM perpendicular to chord AD, and we know that the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. Clear? Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. So here perpendicular is this. So this perpendicular will bisect AD at M, means AM will equal to MD, and that is 1. Is it clear? And similarly for circle C2. C2 is this. A smaller circle is C2. Clear? OM is perpendicular to BC. Here, BC is the chord of smaller circle. Again, we know that the perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. So, BM equal to CM, and that is statement 2. Is it clear? Now, subtract equation 2 from 1. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Left side will be subtracted from the left side, means AM minus BM equal to MD minus CM. Okay. AM is this. When BM is subtracted from AM, then AB will be left. So here AB is there, and here CM is subtracted from MD, means from whole we are subtracting the CM. So what will be left? CD. CD will be left. So AB equal to CD. It is proved. Nothing. It's so easy. You can do. If you revise this 2 or 3 times, so you will feel that these questions are nothing, just easy. Now question number 5th. Fifth question is saying that very interesting question and important questions. 3 girls, Reshma, Sarma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meters drawn in a park. Reshma throw a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, and Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between the Reshma and Salma, Reshma and Salma, and Mandeep, means Reshma और Salma के बीच की distance and Salma और Mandeep के बीच की distance, how much? 6 meter. And the radius of the park या circle is 5 meter. Then find the distance. देखिए, this is Reshma, clear? And this is Salma, and this is Mandeep, clear? These 3 are playing like this. A ball is thrown from Reshma to Sandeep, Sandeep to Mandeep, and Mandeep to Reshma. Clear? Okay. So this RS and SM both are equal, and we have to find the distance between the Reshma and Mandeep. Means this distance we have to find, and this is OR. This is the radius of the circle. Clear? So construction we have to do, draw a perpendicular which OP to RN. Clear? Means OP perpendicular to RN. In this angle is of 90 degree. And join S to P. Now solution. Clear? देखिए OP perpendicular to RN, and we know that perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. So here OP will bisect RN, means RP equal to PM or equal to letter X, means this is X and this also X. Is it clear? Is it clear? And we are joining P to S. Look, P to S. Clear? Here in triangle, this and this, in triangle RPS and triangle MPS. Okay? The RP equal to PM. Just RS equal to SM, or equal to how much? 6 meter. That is given. And PS is common. So by SSS congruency. Clear? Means triangle RPS is congruent to triangle MPS. Okay? So angle RPS will equal to angle MPS. Means this angle and this angle, using different color, this angle and this angle, both are equal. Clear? But RPM is a straight line. By RPM is the straight line, and this angle and this angle are equal to क्या कहें? M कहें. So angle RPM equal to 180, and RPM क्या है? This angle M and this angle M. So M plus M, that is 180, or M equal to 180 upon 2, that is 90. Means angle RPS equal to angle MPS और equal to किसके? 90 के. क्लियर? आप सोच रहे हो ऐसा हमने क्यों किया, है ना? हमने केवल इस एंगल को 90 बनाने के लिए ये सब किया. क्लियर? अब क्वेश्चन आएगा कि हम इसको 90 क्यों बना रहे हैं. तो डियर इसका आंसर मिलेगा यहाँ पर मिलेगा. देखिए एंगल OPR एंड प्लस एंगल RPS, दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल, पूरा एंगल ये वाला. ठीक? दिस एंगल OPR is 90 degree. Clear? And RPS and this angle is also 90, so become 180, and this whole angle become OPS. Angle OPS, what it means? Ki OPS is a straight line. OPS straight line means OS is the straight line and OS हाउ मच 5 मीटर। क्लियर। तो डियर हमने ये सब जो कवायद किया है ना केवल इसलिए किया है कि OS को हम स्ट्रेट लाइन कह पाए, अदरवाइज हम OS को स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं कह पाते। ठीक है। तो नाउ इन ट्रायंगल OPS, इन ट्रायंगल OPS देखिए ये 5 ये 6 एंड ये होल 5। ठीक है। ORS having all three sides. So by using Heron's formula we can find the area of this. So S equal to 5 plus 5 plus 6, that is 16 upon 2 means 8. Clear? So area of triangle ORS equal to under root 8 into 3 3 is 9, तो square root of this 8 is 16 into 3 into 3. So area of triangle ORS is 4 into 3, that is 12. Clear? Means हमने by using Heron's formula area of triangle ORS we find 12 centimeter square, 12 meter square. Clear? Again we will find the area of triangle, again area of triangle ORS. Okay, by using this is OS 1 upon 2 OS into this is base and this RP is perpendicular because this angle is of 90 degree, so RP is the perpendicular. 1 upon 2 OS is 5 and into RP is X. Clear? This is 1 and this is 2. Both the areas of the triangle ORS, so this and this will be equal. So 5x upon 2 will equal to 12. Here we can write it from 1 and from 2. Cross multiply 5x equal to 24 and x equal to 24 upon 5. Clear? Dear, x is this and x is this. If we multiply this by 2, so 2x is Rm. So Rm equal to 48 upon 5 and 48 upon 5 is 5 9 45. Here is 3 and decimal 6 meter. Means distance between the Resma and Mandir is 9.6 meter. Is it clear? एक बार और देख लीजिए इसको। देखो बेटा हमने क्या किया, देखो एक तो ये है हम OS को स्ट्रेट लाइन तब तक नहीं कहेंगे जब तक ये बात ना हो जाए कि ये एंगल और ये एंगल 90 एंगल है। तो एक तो कहेंगे हमने स्टार्टिंग में क्या लिया था, OP इज द परपेंडिकुलर टू RM, और जैसे ही OP परपेंडिकुलर हुआ तो P बी द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ RM, और हमने P ये मिड पॉइंट ज्वाइन किया S से, फिर इन दोनों डायमेंशन में क्या किया, दोनों लाइन से अप्लाई की, and after that this angle and this angle is equal to 90 degree and this 90 already, so this plus this is 180, so become OPS is a straight angle, means OS is the straight line and OS is the radius, that is 5 meter. And after that 2 times we will find the area of this triangle. First we will use Heron's formula and then simple 1 upon 2 base into height. Clear? And the answer obtained from both the formulas we will equate and will find the value of x, and after multiplying by 2, because here is x and x is 2x and 2x is equal to the Rm, so Rm is 9.6 meter. Is it clear? Yes, question number 6 and the last question of this exercise, and question is very important. A circular park of radius 20 meter, and this is the park and the radius of this park is 20 meter, and 3 boys Ankur, Syed and David are playing with the help of toy and are sitting on the boundary of this park. Clear? Means this here is Ankur and here is Syed, here is David. These three are playing with a telephonic toy, and AS is the string, one string is SD and AB. Clear? And the radius of this means OA is 20 meter. Clear? And then we have to find the length of string means AS, SD or AD. So just suppose these three sides are equal to 2x. Clear? And OA is 20 meter is given to us. Clear? Solution. Yes. Here the circle is passing through all the vertices of this triangle. So this circle is also known as the circumcircle of this triangle. Clear? And the triangle having all three sides are equal means AS equal to SD equal to AB. Okay? And in this situation, the center of the circle, circumcircle, and the centroid both are coincide each other. Please note this statement. Here, red pencil. Centroid and circumcenter of equilateral triangle coincide each other. ठीक हो गया? And one more thing we are writing here कि the centroid divides the median here. If we produce this is midpoint, median of a equilateral triangle and the perpendicular from the vertex both bisect the opposite side. So this is AM. Clear? This is perpendicular and this center O as well as centroid of the equilateral triangle. Centroid and the circumcenter of equilateral triangle coincide each other, and centroid divide the median into 2:1. This is centroid, this part is 2 part and this is 1 part. So here we know that OA upon OM, OA upon OM या OA upon AM, OA upon AM. Like 2 part is this, 1 part is this. So OA is 2, but AM 2 part is this, 1 part is this. OM is 3. But OA is 20 meter. So replace OA by 20. So 20 upon AM equal to 2 upon 3. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे यार. तो twice of AM equal to 20 into 3 or AM equal to 20 into 3 upon 2 10 that is 30 meter. Is it clear? Means AM is 30 and this x and this x and that is 2x because AS equal to LT equal to AD suppose क्या है 2x and this is the perpendicular to one side from the vertex of the equilateral triangle bisect the base. So means this x and this x. So in triangle AMS angle M is of 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem क्या कहेंगे AS square equal to AM square plus SM square. AM is, what is AM? AM is 30 dear. AM is 30 square plus SM is x square, and that is 2x square. Become 4x square equal to 900 and plus x square. So 4x square minus x square equal to 900, and we get 3x square equal to 900, and 3 is a 9, 300. So x square equal to 3 into 100, and x equal to 3 into 100 and square root of this, and we get x equal to 10 root 3. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसे, तो ट्वाइस ऑफ x इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 2 into 10 root 3, and 2x is as the AD. So as equal to SD or equal to AD or equal to 20 root 3 meter. Means the length of the string by which the boys are playing is 20 root 3 meter. Is it clear? Very important question. And the main thing of this question is centroid and the circumcenter of equilateral triangle coincide each other. Means center of the circle and the centroid of this triangle both are coincide each other. Due to this we are taking this result OA upon AM, because centroid divides the median, AM also median, into the ratio of 2:1. So due to this we are writing here OA upon AM, OA upon AM equal to 2 upon 3. Is it clear? So if you revise this 3 or 4 times, you will be clear. Okay, otherwise you will confuse. So you have to revise this minimum 4 or 5 times if you want to understand this question. Okay, and learn this statement. Okay, thank you. Exercise complete.